Hi, I'm Peter Licorinas and I'm delighted to tell you about one of the best and one of the biggest course events of the year. The HMO Masterclass on Friday the 6th of September, Property Master Academy, HMO on steroids, HMO Premier, White Horse Property and our complete Power Dream team are coming together to offer the best HMO Masterclass experience available for new and experienced investors. One of the fastest growing and most profitable property strategies in the UK, house of multiple occupancy. In one day we will teach you to understand the complexities of a HMO, a strategy that can work successfully in any property market with returns of up to £40,000 a year in one property. Learn how to find the right properties in the best locations in the UK. Learn researching, funding and finding suitable properties. Negotiate the best possible prices and gain below market value properties. Stand out from all the competition. Understand how new legislation can actually help you. Understand the effective management of HMOs. Avoid fines of up to £30,000 and of course get higher rents and a lot less voids. Learn the HMO refurbishment, the HMO ready process. We teach you every step of the way. Source your own properties leveraging our dream team. There's so much more on offer. Book now and get the following bonuses. Meet my HMO Power team on the day, including solicitors, financiers, my refurb teams, my HMO geeks, marketing and property management. Book now and get a bonus HMO tour after the course. Come and see what myself and my teams are up to live. Get a free recording of the event and workbook. Parking and refreshments, of course, are included. One date only, Friday the 6th of September. Please come and join us. If you book from this video, you get all of this for the discounted cost of only £497 per person. Of course, spaces are limited. Book quickly, avoid disappointment, message us now, and I look forward to seeing you on our HMO Masterclass on the 6th of September.